in fact, his sister and brother-in-law, this was a very interesting story, the Russians came into their town before with the pact with Stalin. And when Hitler broke the pact, the Russians retreated, but they told them that it's not going to be good for you because Germany, the anti-Semitism in Germany after Kristallnacht and everything, they said, come to Russia. And they were on the border. Their town was on the border. There was a river called the Bug, B-U-G. And so they just had to cross the river. So his sister came to his father, and her father too, and she said, we're engaged, and I want to go with Gus because times are going to be bad. And his father said, no, just like in the First World War, it's going to be over, and that's it, and somebody's going to take our land and whatever. So a couple of days later, they got a letter that one of the rabbis from their town, they had like 1 million little steebles there, had gotten sick and was in Russia, right over the border. So his father said, if you go, you have to promise me that you'll get married immediately. This rabbi is there, he'll marry you. And so they did, and I think 30 couples got married, and a lot of them survived in Siberia. They were sent to Siberia because they wouldn't take citizenship. So on trains, they transported over 1 million people in one night. You know, they put them on the trains, and they were in Siberia, and they worked. They weren't in danger of their lives, but they didn't have that much nourishment or anything, so some of them died of illnesses, but they weren't killed, they weren't murdered. So, and a lot of them did survive, and they all settled in Brooklyn, New York, and so they all had the same anniversary, which was something, but at least, you know, they were alive.